1036.
Awesome.
What's that?
Just had some airport subway. I gotta show you something real quick. So on the way over to the airport, I stopped by the nice guys at Polar Pro over here in Costa Mesa, and I picked up one of their mist filters that I'm reviewing for my YouTube and social, and I'm excited to see what this 1/8 diffusion mist does. So here it is. I'm gonna slap it on, and then you can tell me what you think. Can you tell a difference? Diffusion filter on, my VND goes back on. And then here's how the filter stack looks. Guess who's here? Brian.
Yo, 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 what's up?
Say what's up to the fam.
It's nice to be on an A1 camera. Oh, yeah.
We'll see, we'll see.
Have a great flight.
Thank you so much. We are on our way to Calgary. No, I'll put it down here.
Yeah, have fun in Canada.
Thank you. Thank you. I'm glad you have fun here.
Oh, yes.
Around row 4, we have shown you the front instruction at window down to have you on board. Your safety is important.
Dude, this place is sick. Peace sign on that building. Woo! Welcome to Calgary.
Tokyo, and this one's Kraget rice bowl. You have any question, Toppy?
Monumental.
Oh, so cool.
We made it to Socality House. Hey, what's up fam? I'm here in Banff. I'm here with my friend Ryan.
Yeah, he is.
And we're about to eat
Yeah,
at one of my
he is.
favorite restaurants here called the Bear Street Tavern with the chili oil and the honey. Oh man, I'm so excited. Yeah, it's a really rad spot. I always love being out here in the Canadian Rockies. One of my favorite mountains back there is Mount Rundle. Marcy, what's up?
What up, yo? What's going
the
on?
vlog.
I'm feeling good.
You feeling good?
I don't need 20 layers today. I need only 2. This is good. This is feeling good.
Ooh, puppy.
We should be Bear Street Tavern.
Hello. Thank you.
Yeah, how much you like, she's like, who's this Ryan?
Hey Ryan, where are we going? Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Made it through security. Global entry is awesome. About to check out the Calgary International Aspire Lounge for the first time. Whew, that was a little hectic, but got through security pretty quickly.
Are
Hi.
you willing to wait?
How long?
I have no idea.
Sure. So too many people at the lounge. We're waiting. We're waiting. My initial review of this lounge, not so great. Yes, got a table. Check out what this lounge has to offer now that we've got a spot. Got some sausages. Got a vegetarian omelet. Banana bread. I don't know what those are. Oh, brownies. Some like deli meats. One of these guys. Oh, hello. Alright, well, that was a pretty depressing experience. Had some bland potatoes and 2 very soft sausages, and I wouldn't necessarily recommend that lounge, but I guess it's better than just sitting around. It's time to make it to my flight. Back in Orange County. Oh man, it's hot. This is what warmth feels like. It's good to be back home. Molly, I missed you. Molly, come down. Molly, you gonna come down? Did you miss me? You miss me. So I don't know if that vlog made any sense at all. Sorry I haven't been so active on the vlog, but that's because I've been getting busy as the summer is approaching, but stay tuned and I'll see you very soon.